students, hope all of you are safe in your place. Here is your Miss Hemlata Bhatt to provide your online classes. Today I am going to read out an interesting story about a crow which is helping a child to finish her food. So the name of today's story is The Robber Crow. So what do you mean by robber? Robber is one who steals. And as we all know that crows are known for their habits of stealing, right? And we also know that they are very intelligent. So let's find out how the robber crow is helping a child to finish her food. The school bus honked. Suchi was still at the breakfast table. The bus honked again. Suchi got up. She grabbed her school bag and ran out. She had her last piece of bread in her hand. "Mama, bye!" she cried. She was about to board the bus when a crow flew down. It snatched the piece of bread from her. Suchi was shocked. So in this story, there is a girl and her name is Suchi. She was getting ready for school and was having her breakfast too. When the school bus came, she was at the breakfast table. When she was not coming out, the driver honked the bell. He honked again. Then Suchi came out with a small portion of bread in her hand that she is supposed to eat in the bus. As she was to climb on the bus, a crow flew down and took the piece of bread away from her. So Suchi was very surprised and upset and angry at the crow. In the evening, Suchi told her mother about the robber crow. In the evening, Suchi told all of the incident to her mother about the robber crow. "The crow is a born robber. I hate it," she said. She means Suchi said the crow is a robber from its birthday. "So I hate it. Crows do not rob." This one thought you were giving it food. Mother said. So mother replied that crows do not rob. Crows do not steal anything. That time, it was thinking that you were giving it food. So it snatched the food away. It took away the food from you. Next time, learn to finish your food at the table. So mother also advised Suchi to finish her food at the table. Just then, Suchi's baby sister Ruchi cried loudly. So Suchi and Ruchi, they both are siblings, right? And Suchi's baby sister is Ruchi. So she cried loudly. But why? She is hungry, said mother. Mother said that Ruchi is hungry and brought a bowl of rice to feed her. So she brought a bowl of rice to feed her. But Ruchi turned away from the bowl and cried more. But Ruchi did not eat anything and started to cry loudly, even more. Suchi wanted to help. She thought of the crow. Suchi wanted to help her sister. She thought of the crow. "Mama, let's give the crow some rice. Ruchi will see it, then she will also eat." So Suchi made a plan and Suchi told her mother that they should give the crow some rice, and when the crow will eat the rice, Ruchi will be happy, and when she will be happy, Ruchi will also eat. So Suchi then ran out and cried, "Caw, caw!" The crow flew down. Mother placed a small portion of rice on the balcony. The crow ate it. Ruchi clapped her hands. So Ruchi is the baby sister, and when she saw the crow eating the small portion of rice on the balcony, Ruchi became very happy. So Ruchi started to clap her hands. She then opened her mouth, and she opened her mouth also, and mother put some rice in her mouth. So they finally, her mother fed her daughter Ruchi. She ate it up. Together, the crow and Suchi soon finished the food. Suchi was happy. Suchi also became happy because this time Suchi somehow managed to help her baby sister to finish her food. Because she cried, she called the crow to come down, and then the mother placed a small portion of rice on the balcony. Crow ate all the rice from the balcony, placed on the balcony, and when it was eating, Ruchi became very happy. And when she was happy, she opened her mouth and she ate all the food nicely. Right? The robber crow has turned into a helpful crow, she said. She means Suchi said that robber crow has turned into a helpful crow. That one day the crow took away the piece of bread from her hand when she was about to board a school bus. And this time this robber crow has helped her baby sister to finish her food. So the robber crow has turned into a helpful crow, she said. Will you come again tomorrow? She asked the crow. So Suchi asked the crow, even she requested the crow to come again, to come tomorrow also, so that her baby sister Ruchi will eat her food properly. Right? The crow said kaka and flew away. So the crow said kaka and then it flew away. When on the next day what may happen? Suchi will cry out kaka and then crow will come down. They will place some food on somewhere and it will eat, and when it will eat, Ruchi will see everything, Ruchi will be happy and she will finish her food properly. So students, this story is written by Indira Anand Krishnan. So now I will discuss some word meanings. Okay, and these all word meanings you have to learn all these word meanings. Honked means blew the horn loudly. Grabbed means took hold of something suddenly. Board means get on the bus. Snatched means took away quickly by force. Shocked means surprised and upset. Robber means one who steals. Portion means a part of something. So, till we meet in the next class, you all study this text nicely and try to gather more information from your grandparents, how they fared when your parents were children. In this lesson, we have known that Suchi cried the crow. It called the crow and crow came and it helped her baby sister to finish her food properly. So it is a very fun way to help any child to finish her food. So if you ask your grandparents how they fed your parents when they were children, what are the other fun ways to feed a child? Okay students, thank you.